This might be the best software advice you'll ever hear. Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how to ensure the reliability and smooth operation of your software applications. Welcome to our video on software maintenance. Picture this. You've just released your application to the world. Users are signing up, logging in, and enjoying the features that you have built. But what happens when bugs are found? Performance issues arise, or new requirements come pouring in. That's where software maintenance comes into play. It's a secret sauce that helps your application run like a well-oiled machine. Software applications are complex creatures. They require continuous attention and care to keep them running smoothly. Without proper maintenance, your software can become sluggish, prone to crashes, or vulnerable to security breaches. Imagine the frustration your users would feel if their data had been compromised or vanished suddenly and the system crawled to a slowdown. That's why software maintenance is so crucial. So, what's the solution? Software maintenance encompasses a range of activities aimed at preserving and improving the performance, functionality, and security of your applications. It involves regular updates, bug fixes, performance optimizations, and adapting to ever-changing user needs. By investing in maintenance, you can expand the lifespan of your software, enhance user satisfaction, and protect your reputation. To achieve effective software maintenance, it is essential to have a dedicated team of experts who can handle the task efficiently. That's where SovTech comes in. With our experienced professionals, we provide top-notch software maintenance services provided to your actual needs. We'll monitor your applications, ensuring that they're up-to-date, secure, and optimized for performance. Our software maintenance services include regular code reviews, bug tracking and fixing, security audits, and performance optimizations. And we offer flexible subscriptions where you can upgrade anytime within a 1-month notice period, giving you access to additional resourcing to enhance future enhancements. We work closely with you to understand your business goals and tailor our maintenance efforts accordingly. With SovTech as your partner, you can focus on your core business while we take care of your software's health. But software maintenance doesn't stop there. It's an ongoing process. As your user base increases and your application evolves, new challenges will arise. That's why we emphasize the importance of continuous improvement. We're here to support you at any level of your software's lifecycle, ensuring it remains reliable, secure, and user-friendly. So remember, software maintenance is the key to keeping your applications running smoothly and delighting your users. Don't neglect this crucial aspect of software development. Contact SovTech today and let our experts handle all your software maintenance needs. Trust us, your software and users will thank you.